Hey guys! In this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best USB microscopes that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a coin collector, a student, or just someone curious about the microscopic world, these products offer incredible features at various price points. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the USB Microscope by Microscope, which is the most budget-friendly option on our list at just $19.99. This compact device offers 40x to 1000x magnification and features 8 adjustable LED lights to illuminate your subject. While it's not going to compete with high-end models, it's a great entry-level microscope for casual users who want to inspect coins, textiles, or even skin and hair. The build quality is surprisingly decent for the price, with a polycarbonate body that's lightweight yet feels sturdy. It comes with a metal stand and a Type-C adapter, which is a nice bonus. However, the software is only compatible with Windows for advanced features like measurement, so Mac users may miss out on some functionality. The 8 LEDs are adjustable via a brightness wheel, which provides adequate lighting, though it lacks the diffusion of higher-end models. Overall, this is a great choice for beginners or those on a tight budget. The setup process is simple, and the portability makes it ideal for casual exploration. On the downside, the image quality can be hit or miss, and it's not compatible with iPhones. But for under $20, it's hard to beat the value. Coming in at number 4, we have the Lepan Digital Microscope. Priced at just slightly over $20, this product offers a magnification range of 50x to 1600x, making it suitable for a wider variety of applications. The standout feature here is its compatibility with both iOS and Android devices, which is rare in this price range. Whether you're using an iPhone, iPad, or Android device, connectivity is seamless thanks to the Professional Companion app. The design is lightweight and portable, weighing only 0.33 pounds, which makes it ideal for fieldwork or travel. The upgraded 2.7 NP camera delivers a resolution of 1920 by 1440, providing fairly sharp images compared to other microscopes in this price bracket. However, the build quality is mostly plastic, so it may not be the most durable option for heavy or frequent use. The adjustable stand adds flexibility for viewing angles, but it can feel a bit flimsy during adjustments. This microscope is a solid choice for students, hobbyists, or anyone looking for an affordable yet versatile option. It's perfect for STEM education or simple inspections like looking at textiles or plants. The main drawbacks are its limited viewing angle and the need for a stable hand to avoid blur at higher magnifications. Still, for $20.41, it's a fantastic value for mobile users. At number 3, we have another excellent option from Microscope, the USB Digital Microscope, priced at $21.99. This model features a similar magnification range of 40x to 1000x, but includes more robust accessories like a metal stand and a carrying case, making it a step up from the budget version. It's compatible with a wide range of devices, including Android, Windows, and Mac, although advanced measurement features are limited to Windows users. The 8 adjustable LED lights ensure clear illumination, and the metal body adds a level of durability that's reassuring at this price point. The ability to capture screenshots and record videos directly to your computer or smartphone is a big plus for educators and hobbyists. However, it's worth noting that it doesn't work on iPhones or iPads, which might be a deal breaker for Apple enthusiasts. This microscope is ideal for students, engineers, and collectors who need an affordable yet functional tool. The included stand is sturdy, and the carrying case makes it easy to transport. On the downside, the software interface feels outdated, and the 45-degree viewing angle might not suit everyone. Overall, it's an excellent mid-range option for those seeking better build quality and accessories without breaking the bank. In the runner-up spot, we have the T-Tacmily Wireless Digital Microscope. This is one of the most versatile options on our list, offering both wireless and USB connectivity. At $29.99, it's a bit pricier than the others, but it delivers with features like a 2-megapixel camera, 1080p video quality, and the ability to connect to iPhones, Android devices, and computers. The design is sleek and compact, with an included stand that's easy to adjust. The rechargeable battery is a standout feature, providing up to 3 hours of continuous use, perfect for outdoor exploration or extended classroom sessions. The 8 LED lights do an excellent job of evenly illuminating the subject, and the wireless connection is stable, making it hassle-free to pair with your device. This microscope is an excellent choice for families, educators, and hobbyists who want a user-friendly and portable device. The main downside is that it's not as precise as wired options when it comes to handling intricate details, like PCB inspections. Still, the convenience of wireless connectivity and the high-quality video output make it worth considering. And finally, taking the #1 spot is the Elecliv LCD Digital Coin Microscope. At $36.99, it's the premium option on our list, but the features and performance justify the price. The 4.3-inch LCD screen is the standout feature, providing the crisp 720p HD display that eliminates the need for constant neck strain when viewing objects. This microscope is perfect for coin collectors, as its 1000x magnification allows you to see even the finest details. The build quality is top-notch, combining plastic and metal components for durability and stability. The height-adjustable stand offers precise control over magnification, and the 8 LED lights ensure clear visibility even in low-light conditions. It also connects to PCs for a larger view, which is great for sharing live images during presentations or group studies. The rechargeable battery offers up to 3 hours of use, making it portable and convenient. This is the ideal choice for serious hobbyists, educators, and professionals. Whether you're inspecting coins, repairing electronics, or teaching STEM lessons, the Elecliv microscope provides exceptional performance. The only downside is the lack of a memory card in the package for photo and video storage, but that's a minor inconvenience. Overall, it's the best USB microscope in this price range. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.